welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the double treble stitch, how to make a row double treble stitches, how to turn and start your second row of double treble stitches. So the double treble stitch is quite tall, and to create the height you will have to add 5 extra chains to your initial chain. So as I showed you in a previous episode, how we're gonna make a chain, and this is the chain we made, and in addition to that we will be chaining 5 more to make up for the height of the double treble. So that's your 5 chains, and this is how long the double treble will be. Now to start the double treble, you have to yarn over 3 times. As you can see, you have 4 loops on your hook. Then insert your hook in a 6th chain, actually in the 7th chain. You have the first 6, you have the base chain, and in the 7th we will be crocheting. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a long loop. You can see here, now you have 5 loops on your hook, and we will be crocheting through 2 loops at a time. So yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 again, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over and pull through last 2. And you can see how long this stitch is. So let's do another one. Yarn over 3 times. You have 4 loops. Insert your hook inside a chain. Yarn over, pull a long loop. And we will be crocheting again through 2 loops at a time. So about 4 times. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through again, yarn over, pull through 2, and last pull through 2, and there you are. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook inside the chain, pull up a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, yarn over, pull through 2, and last one. And look how long these stitches are. I think this is the longest stitch I know. So let's finish this round, and then I'll show you how to start your next row, and how to start every row from now on. And if you don't remember how to hold your yarn, what I do, it's wrap it around my 3 fingers, and then hold that with my pinky, and then you can control the tension. You can see it's quite tight, or loose, So wrap it around your fingers, and then you use the thumb and the third finger to hold your work, and then you can control it better. So yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, and you can see as I work I keep moving my fingers so I can hold it better and control it better. So pull up a loop, pull through 2, I move forward, pull through 2, again move my fingers, pull through 2 again, and lastly through the 2. Okay, so we have one more in this row. Pull the long loop, yarn over, pull through 2 4 times, and that's your first That's your first row. It's very, very long and loose. Okay, so now we'll turn our work and begin our second row by chaining 5, and that will count as your first double treble. So you have your 5 chains. Skip this stitch and we will be crocheting in the next one. So yarn over 3 times. You'll end up with 4 loops on your hook, and as you can see, a stitch has 2 loops, and you will be inserting your hook underneath both loops and then pull up a loop. Oh, it's the wrong chain. Okay, so we're not crocheting in a first, we're crocheting in a second. And then pull through 2 loops 4 times, and there you are, your double treble. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull a loop through 2 loops 4 times. And again, if you don't remember, underneath the stitch through both loops, as you can see, yarn over, pull up a loop. Don't make it too tight and don't make it too tall. It's just, let's say, half the size of a double treble. And I'll finish the row for you so you can see how the pattern looks like. And right at the end, you will have to crochet through the chains. Oh. Okay. So it's a common mistake that people make their stitches until they reach the last stitch. But this is counts as a 1 stitch as well, even though it's just chains that you skipped at the beginning. This is a stitch as well. So you will have, so most people make this mistake and they say, oh, but I started with this amount of stitches and now I have 1 less. That's because you haven't crocheted through the last. So you'll have to yarn over 3 times and insert your hook at the top chain, and that counts as your last stitch. Okay, so you can see your 5 loops, crochet through 2, again and again, and last time, and there you are. This is how the double treble pattern looks like. In the back, it's very long. It's one of the longest stitches. Okay. And this is it. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. Don't forget to follow me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!